Let's review the tool library in Ibex CNC. I can activate the tool library from the manufacturer ribbon. And when I select tool library, I get the tool library dialog. So the name of the tool library I'm using is displayed at the top of the window. In this case, I'm using the default tool library. This is a set of common tools that are installed with Ibex. You'll likely want to review these and edit or override them based on the tools in your shop. So on the left-hand side here, I have a list of all the tools in my library, organized by tool type. So I have end mills, ball end mills, V-bits, engravers, tapered ball nose, drills, and knives. When I select a tool from the tool library, on the right here, I have the tool parameters. So I get the description, the units. In this case, for the end mill, I only have the diameter, the max cut, and the number of flutes. If I hover over the parameter description on the left side, I get a description in a little bubble, helping me understand what this parameter changes. If I select a different tool type like a V-bit, the parameters change to reflect the geometry that's available for that tool. You'll also notice that the depiction of the tool shape also changes above the parameters to match the parameters of this tool. This is a live visualization of the tool geometry, and this allows you to quickly understand if the numbers you've entered reflect the tool in your shop. So if I go in here and adjust something like the max cut depth, you can see that the height of the tool changes to reflect the changes that I'm making to the parameters. And this is different for every single tool type. So if I select an end mill, I get a rectangle that represents the profile of an end mill, similar with ball end mill, all the way down to knives. Now for adjusting the tool library, I have some options on the right here. I can add tools. When I select add tool, I get a new dialog here where I can select the type of tool I want to make, give it a name, select OK. It'll be added to my library, and then I can adjust the parameters here. If I want to remove a tool, select this half-inch ball end, select remove, I'm going to be prompted with a warning, do I actually want to remove this half-inch ball end? If I select yes, the tool will be removed from my library. If I select no, this will be canceled out. If the tool is actively in use in the current drawing, it won't allow you to remove the tool from the library. You'll have to either close out of the drawing or remove the tool from any active tool paths. I also have some library management options here on the right. I can create a new library. I can save this current library as a different name and then edit it as a different library. I can load a different library. So if I select this, save the changes that I've made, and then I can select from one of my tool libraries that I have installed with this copy. So I created a different library named Jake's Tools. That one I can load and edit those tools. Finally, there's import library. If you have a library file from a different program, you can select that here and it'll load it into your existing library. Finally, once I'm done making changes, I can select OK, and my tool library is changed. That's it for the tool library in Ibex.